Alright, so the first thing we're going to start off doing with duck calling is just going to be your simple quack. And basically, this is going to be your bread and butter when you're out hunting. It's everything you're going to do with while you're calling, and it's just going to sound a little something like this. And what I'm doing through the back of the call, I'm going to show you how it sounds through the back of the call and explain a little bit. It's going to sound a little something like this. And what I'm doing to get that sound is I'm putting air through the call like this, and then I'm cutting it off. I cut it off with the middle of my tongue. It's a little easier to cut it off with the tip of your tongue, but you can put more spin into the call, and it's going to be more likely to stick on you. But I cut it off with the middle of the tongue, and it's just gonna be. And then you're gonna shorten it up to where it sounds more just like a single quack. Once again, you're cutting that air off, you're going. And once you get that down, you can work on stringing them together. You're going to do it out hunting, you're just going to be. And what I'm doing through the back of the call to get that is, I'm finishing off each duck before I go to the next one. I'm not slurring them together, so it's going to sound like something like that. And you're cutting off each duck before you finish the next one. So if you take a little space in between them, it's going to be something like this. And you want to start off slow. Make sure you finish off each quack, and then you can speed it up to where they're together. That's the quack.